Hello everybody, I try to make this video in English, but sorry if not good enough because English is not my mother language. This is about how to overclock our RTX 3060 Ti. The unit I tested here is a colorful NBV series. Their base model, so have no bias, overclock bias. To get the value of the hardware, I use hardware info 64, the freeware. This is the minimum value of the graphic card, and this is maximum value. Here the GPU core voltage minimum and the maximum. So if we try to overclock below the maximum value, I believe we will save, then the temperature will be good enough. This sensor is a sensor output on the VRM. Connect to the motherboard. This is a GPU fan. So in default condition, the GPU will clock about 1920 to 1980. This is the higher clock, I guess. But the core voltage a bit higher here, so the higher temperature should be expected too. So we will try to make the voltage lower, but keep the GPU clock at the modest clock. It's about above 1900 megahertz. I use freeware Afterburner version 463. Actually this is a beta 2, but I hope this Afterburner stable enough for our test. So I will approach using a curve method, not directly put value to add a GPU clock. And I made note here. If we want the lower temperature and lower voltage, we can set this curve using this value. I will put this note to the video description below. Before we can change this curve, we have to lower the maximum clock below our target here. Say we have to put 100, so put here minus 100. Yes, and find the 920 here, rise to 1935. And press apply. So we hope when VRM deliver 0.925 volt to the GPU will clock to about 1950. Let's see here. The voltage is not increase or decrease, keep at the lower voltage, but we get the modest GPU clock. I prefer to use this day by day, daily, so I can keep temperature of the GPU and the VRM in good condition. But when we want to clock the GPU higher, we can use the same method, but of course we have to add the voltage to make the higher clock stable. Say we want to more than 2000 megahertz. See, actually we have to increase higher and then put it down to desired value. Here we go. If the VRM can deliver this voltage, the GPU will clock more than 2000 megahertz. Let's see what happened. Yes, we can get GPU clock higher than 2000 megahertz, but of course we have to increase the voltage, so the higher temperature of the GPU core will have to expect it too, and the higher VRM temperature have to expect it too. But actually we still below the maximum value. GPU power about 200, but we have less 10 watt less, and the voltage of course below the maximum value. So we can increase this little higher to find the stable value if we want the maximum GPU clock. But actually I prefer to use safe overclock. Like previous sound here. At about 0.925 volt, and the GPU core more than 1900. Here I run the Shadow of Tomb Raider to make a 3D load to the GPU. Here we can use lower voltage but get modest GPU clock. This is my favorite setting. I get a good GPU clock but lower voltage, so I can keep the GPU temperature and VRM temperature in safe range. You can try to get your optimum value here. Maybe you have a good chip, so you can get the GPU clock same as here but lower required voltage. So you can try to lower voltage here, say at this value, you rise to the desired GPU clock here. So hope this video can help you to safely overclock your GPU. I hope you not make a extreme overclock, except your GPU have a good cooling system. So goodbye, see you in the next video. Thank you.